My people are dey salute o. Long time wey we come gist. Some people ask for me say how now wetin dey happen, we no hear from you o. Nothing do me o, nothing do me. But those of una wey no ask for me, its alright o. God dey, na him I go tell una. Sha I dey well o. Una no hear from me because I pack comot for where I dey. I pack go another town, smaller town, more peaceful, close to the river. I go dey gist una about that place later sha. Plenty things don happen o since the last time wey we come gist. See as the world dey change up and down. See wetin happen for Nigeria, see wetin dey happen for UK, see wetin dey happen for Europe, America, everywhere. And the only thing wey no change, can you imagine? Bad thing na im no change. Covid still dey. Dem dey tell us say second wave don come again. Bad thing no wan go. But whether this Covid like am or not, e must leave us. So wetin happen for Nigeria, the thing tire me o. As these people dem start their campaign to end SARS, wey the thing dey go well, how the thing come change suddenly to riot wey people dey die, na very very terrible thing. I no even know wetin I wan talk right now. I just pray say God go comfort all the people wey their pikin die. We wey we survive the thing, wey our children nothing do them, make we thank God for mercy. Make we thank God o. Una quick forget that one. The thing wey I dey see for social media na say no onions don expensive. Our people, we just dey very interesting. From tragedy wey children die, the next thing wey women dey talk about na onions don scarce for market o. Dem no fit cook soup without onions o. Na I just dey read up and down in the last few days. And me, I dey worry say some of my friends dem no well. Some people wey I know don die. Onions no be the thing wey dey do me at all. Whether onion dey, onion no dey, shebi salt dey, we go cook soup now, soup go still sweet. Make we no dey worry ourselves too much. See this life as e dey so. Some small thing no be the thing wey we go carry for head o. No be everything person go carry for head. The wahala wey dey ground, wey dey wetin dem dey call beyond our how dem dey call am sef, something wey you no fit do anything about by yourself, right? That one full ground now. Plenty things dey wey our power no fit deal with. Why we go dey worry ourselves about something wey pass our power? The one wey we fit do, make we dey do am. The one wey we no fit do, shebi all of us we know God, we dey pray. Make we just carry the load give am now. No be him create the world. Him sef dey see the wahala wey dey now, and he know say something go pass us. Make we no dey worry ourselves too much with something wey we know say we no fit do anything about. Make we just carry the thing, carry go give the owner of the world, make he solve the problem. The little one wey we fit do for where we dey o, make we dey do am. The SARS wey we fit end for our inside our house, make we end am. The people wey get house help, wey dem dey maltreat, wey dem dey feed them, make una feed them, take care of them. If not, dem fit turn on una again. All the people wey get workers, make una know as una dey treat them. Life no easy for many people. Dem dey suffer, and the small money wey una dey give them, una sef know say dem dey take manage their own family from where dem come to. Dem dey send money home, dem dey carry, so people wey go give their children, especially small one for house help, una know say condition critical for them na im make. Anyway, I just dey ramble up and down because na so we women we dey gist o. When we start one topic, we go dey go from one topic to the next topic to the next topic. Gist no dey finish. But I just say make I come greet una, make I show face. Next week I go come sit down well. I go give una correct gist wey go make una belle sweet, because negative things, bad bad things just too much for news and everywhere. Like me now, e dey hard make I watch news o. I no wan die before my time, because person get to careful wetin dey enter in head, wetin enter in ear. True, as we dey watch wetin dey enter our mouth, wey we no wan fart, we no wan do this, make we dey also dey watch wetin dey enter our ear, because e dey affect all of us. So with this one I go say make una enjoy una day enjoy una week till we jam again. Bye.